My name is Lear. I've seen the signs age could leave on untreated skin, and I know how important it is to prevent them ahead of time. The key to plump skin with tight contour is collagen, and the Firm collection promotes collagen self-production and preservation along with cell renewal for the maintenance of a youthful, firm appearance. I do as follows. Morning comes, I apply the hydrophilic Blue Daisy cleanser on my face, neck, and décolleté and massage it in. It turns into a milky emulsion that penetrates into the pores and purifies without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. After I rinse it off, my skin feels clean and smooth. I then apply 2 to 3 drops of the multi-mineral complex Forever Youth Serum to my face. It stimulates cell renewal, improving resilience and elasticity. Wrinkles are blurred and the overall appearance is plump, tight, and radiant. Before I leave the house, I make sure I'm protected against sun and free radicals damage. I pat gently, lightweight Daytime Guard SPF 50 into my face, neck, and décolleté, and massage it in until it's entirely absorbed. Resveratrol and hyaluronic acid in the formula protect against free radicals and premature aging while replenishing with moisture. My skin benefits from long-lasting hydration and has a healthy glow. And last but not least, I take care of the skin around my eyes. It's sometimes puffy with dark circles. All Day Eye Rescue, formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin A, soothes and protects, blurring existing wrinkles and preventing formation of new ones. I massage in a uniform layer, avoiding contact with my eyes to restore a smooth, even-toned appearance. I carry the Always On Mist spray in my bag. When my skin looks tired and dull, it needs a boost of freshness and moisture with this On-To-Go SOS. I spray it from 20 centimeters away on my face, neck, and décolleté. It makes me feel completely refreshed. In the evening, I apply on clean skin the Nighttime Rehab on my face, neck, and décolleté and let it work. Formulated with stable vitamin C and 3 fractions of hyaluronic acid, it smooths and tightens, soothing my skin back to a comfortable state. I wake up to a firm, luminous, and well-rested appearance. To preserve and enhance the results obtained by following this daily routine, I add 2 more treatment steps. Once or twice a week, I apply AHA and resveratrol peel on a cleansed face and leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes, and then rinse it off thoroughly. This clarifying peel exfoliates dead cells, allowing new cells to rise to the surface. Fine lines and wrinkles fade, and my skin looks healthy, firm, and glowing. Twice a week, I use the nutrient-rich Boost Mask powered with skin repair ingredients to restore collagen and elastin resilience. Green microalgae smooths while stable vitamin C reduces pigmentation. My skin appears younger, firmer, with reduced fine lines and wrinkles. I apply it on my face, neck, and décolleté, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off.